Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on Google Passkeys on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to enable your passkey for your Google account, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your Google account from here. In my case, I'm going to use this one. And here, just click on your Google account or your profile photo of your Google account. Just click on manage your Google account here and select security and sign in option from this screen. Now just scroll down and you might see the option now passkey and security key. So you just have to click on this option here and just try to create a new passkey. But before you continue, you just have to enter your Google account password. So once you have entered your Google account password, just click on the next option here and just wait for loading. Now you just have to click on create a passkey and then click on create a passkey option again. You can also try to use another device to create a passkey, but I'm gonna create a passkey. Select here and just click on continue. And here you just have to enter your pin. You just have to enter your Windows security pin to save it as your own passkey. So let's say I'm gonna enter mine. So once you have entered, you have to enter a new pin, or you can also use your Windows pin to create a new passkey. So once you have done, your passkey is now created. Now you can easily use your Windows Hello or your Windows passkey to log in with your Google account, or where your Google account password is needed. You can easily use your passkey to enter that password. So in this way, you can easily create a Google account passkey. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.